Hey guys, welcome back. I had a request from Jen to show how I store my inks, my ink pads and everything. So all of my archivals are here. I've got a few blank spaces because I got a couple of the archivals coming. These are the Stampin' Up! Ink spots here. And down here I keep my little dewdrops, because that's the only ones of those that I have, so I keep them down here. These are all my Gina K's here. This whole one is all of my Stampin' Up! Inks, plus I've got one over here. And then the rest of them are like, I got a Memento, the Versa Fine Black, a gold metallic one, and these are Stampabilities, which I believe Hobby Lobby sells. But my daughter got them for me at a thrift store. They were all together, so she got those. Tim Holtz oxides, and then the regular Distress inks, and then these are the Distress ink minis that I have that I didn't have in like the big size. And then I keep my Tim Holtz crayons up there. So that is how I store my ink. Oh, and I have a StazOn that I keep up here because it's a little too small to actually fit. I could probably fit it next to the gold, actually. But no, not quite big enough. A little too big to store that way. Because I thought maybe I could store it that way, but it won't fit together in there. But I keep my gold in there because I sometimes stamp with it. Because it does give a kind of a metallic-y look. So yeah. So that is how I store them. And I store my glues and stuff over here, and whatnot, glue remover, water, that sort of thing over there. And I keep scrapers in these two drawers, and then that's my bone folders. And these are like silicone, some pencils, so you can't see that because my camera's in the way. Move it back over. I'm filming on my actual phone because this is the phone that I film on. Right there. But yeah, and I keep two fan brushes for like splattering and whatnot. And of course you guys have seen my pegboard. And I store my Stampin' Up! Bunches over here. In this, it's a bat. It doesn't turn, but it's a little bat stand that my daughter bought me for my birthday. You know, because I love bats. So, but yeah, and I've kind of got several different little projects here. Oh, I did make something with those little wood panels. I made 2 cards. So I made this one using some of the butterflies that my cousin had sent me in the Tim Holtz Words paper. And then I made this one using another one of the butterflies. But I thought this one worked really good with the salvage patina that was on there, and used up some scraps. And I'm sorry about the it's not focusing too good. There it goes. I don't know if you saw the sentiments on there, so I'll kind of do that. I don't have any lights on or anything in here, so it's a little dark as far as filming and whatnot. But I can set these over here where my ephemera goes. Excuse me. And this is my little gingerbread house that I've been working on. You can't really see it on camera. I don't know if you can see where it sparkles. I use my Wink of Stella pen on the doors, and I turn those little gingerbreads into windows. But I'm waiting for some more little candies. And these are graham crackers with the Stampin' Up! Texture paste on there, which I discovered that I am allergic to. So I can't use that anymore. Which is disappointing because I really liked the consistency. It was like a slightly thicker whipped topping or something. It was like easy to spread. But I got the sides here done. I'm gonna put lights on it, I think. Whoops. And then I got this side done. The back is done just like the front, except for no doors or windows back there, but everything else is pretty much the same. And but I am gonna put lights on it, I think. And I do have some little gingerbread men coming that I'm gonna kind of glue like in between areas and whatnot. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, that's what I've been working on so far and whatnot. And I've been swatching out all of my ink pads on these little tags that I made out of my little tag punch that I've had forever. And I put them over here on little magnetic hooks. So these are all my Stampin' Up! Ones. I've got regular distress inks, the dewdrops, oxides. These are my Gina K's. And these are like the Stampabilities ones because they're a little bit different. And down here are the archivals. And I've got them down here right now because I'm not done with them yet. As soon as my other archivals come in, then I'll be adding to that. So I guess I could set it over here. But I decided to do that so that I would know what the colors look like and everything, so that I could quickly color match if I wanted to and see, you know, rather than like pulling out every ink pad to see what, you know, what I wanted and everything, even though those are all swatched on their pads too, except for the Gina K's. I didn't swatch those out and stick them on top of the ink pads, but all the rest of them have been. Excuse me. But yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. I've got other stuff out on my desk because I'll be working on a few things and whatnot. But yeah, so I just wanted to show that really quickly. Doing it this way takes up less space, and I don't have the wall space to hang it up on the wall. And B, the reason that I decided to do it that way is because I wanted them all close at hand so that I could just, they were all within easy reach and, you know, I could use them and whatnot. Now, I may, like, change the order of them around or whatnot to the ones that I use most frequently or something. I might do that, but I haven't decided yet. But otherwise, it's, you know, works pretty good for me. So, alright, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here again really soon. Bye!